Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Loopring. New NFT campaign, but is it the same old Loopring again? Last year, Loopring made headlines for its unanticipated rally on the price charts. While that was once considered to be the beginning of a sustained hike, the altcoin soon fell victim to the prevalent market bearishness. Even today, 5 months later, Loopring is still attempting to revive that rally. And yet, it is sadly failing at it. Loopring's stuck in a bearish loop. In order to gain the interest of older investors or attract new ones, Loopring is trying its best by giving every strategy a shot. The latest in the mix is an NFT contest campaign. The contest, which began last week, encourages deposits into the 2 Lira for an opportunity to receive a Loophead NFT. In its announcement, Loopring stated, users who make an ETH, LRC, USDC, USDT, ENS, or UNI deposit onto Loopring 2 Lira will couple of weeks. This type of divergence is a weak one, and is unlikely to change the overall trend. It could see LRC bounce towards $0.9. The DMI showed a strong bearish trend in progress with both the DAI, red, and the ADX, yellow, above 20. The OBV has been declining in recent weeks as well. It pales in comparison to the volume of November, but it did highlight that steady selling has dominated the past 3 weeks. If low fees and fast transactions are really important to you, you need to accept the fact that there will be extra steps you need to take. Rollups are not plug-and-play solutions. They are slightly more technical and have more friction due to the requirement of bridging from 1 Lira to 2 Lira, and vice versa. Thankfully, rollup projects have made several breakthroughs in the last year that have significantly improved their user experience, efficiency and other features. What are Layer 2 rollups? Layer 2 rollups are scaling solutions predominantly utilized in the Ethereum ecosystem, which outsource the execution of transactions outside the main blockchain, but retain some data per transaction on-chain. This allows transactions to leverage the same security model as the Ethereum main network, while being processed in a separate layer, preventing network congestion, and enabling faster confirmation times. There are 2 types of rollups, each with its own design and security properties. Optimistic rollups do not conduct transaction computation by default, hence, they can scale Ethereum better by a factor of 10 to 100x. Moreover, they can process complex smart contracts. This stands in contrast to zero-knowledge (ZK) rollups, which are mostly capable of running simple transactions. However, withdrawal times for optimistic rollups are significantly longer than ZK due to fraud challenges. Zero-knowledge rollups (ZK) rollups transfer batches of transactions from layer 1 to 2, and create a validity proof for every batch. This drastically reduces the data size of transactions, which in turn lowers gas costs and shortens confirmation times. Unlike optimistic rollups, ZK rollups do not require fraud challenges, since the validity proof, a gradual accumulation at current levels with aggressive buying once there is a breakout may be the best way to go ahead. The price of LRC, the native token of Ethereum-based scalability solution Loopring, has jumped by up to 35% after the protocol officially announced its integration, and the launch of GameStop's non-fungible token, NFT, marketplace beta yesterday. The new GameStop marketplace built atop Loopring 2 Lira ensures that users receive the strongest digital property rights, anchored by a secure, decentralized, and credibly neutral environment like Ethereum, wrote Adam Brauman, Loopring's head of growth. Loopring's crawlup inherits Ethereum's self-custodial security, while abstracting away costly gas fees, leaving no one priced out. Making NFTs more accessible. According to Loopring's announcement, its zero-knowledge rollup solution would allow creators to deliver high-performance applications that rival the speeds and scalability of WEB2, while also empowering users to receive provable ownership and control over their assets in WEB3. Notably, Ethereum's second-layer rollup solutions allow to take the load off the mainnet by batching multiple transactions together and processing them off-chain. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross